Yeah, so really exciting. We're bringing to SEMA and really just brought to market about a month ago our new fish collection. So we have 3 different options for the anglers. And the really cool thing is it's really everything from fly fishing to gear fishing. The first one that I'll show you, the top water, lockable gear, fully rigged up rod storage. It has individual slots for 8 rods. You can load it up if you want, so it's not just a specific 8-rod carrier. We also have storage underneath for all your Plano boxes, wet storage, stuff like that. It is lockable. It's universal roof rack attachment, but it'll fit pretty much any crossbar you have on your vehicle already. It accommodates up to 8-foot long rigged up rods and reels. When you get to wherever you're fishing, you pull your rods out, you're ready to go. It's not stringing them up, tying the hooks, or get the lures on. We'll carry tackle boxes. The Plano box, a very popular tackle box. You'll just go right underneath the rods. A little cool retention system here. Really easy to load in and to unload your rods. And then, as I said earlier, the lockable storage as well. Someone took the key, but yeah, you're just able to lock it right there. This is available, ready to go, so you can walk into your local retailer and pick this up. So the neat thing about our fishing collection is we have a couple different options to get your rods and reels to the river, to the lake. The more budget-friendly option, and if you're an avid Yakima fan, you'll realize these look very familiar. These are essentially repurposed snowboard racks, but bringing it into the marketplace for the traditional angler. All of our current ski and snowboard racks are fishing rod compatible, so you can carry. And then with our reel deal, you can carry your rods during the summer. Go up skiing during the winter. It is a multi-purpose, year-round rack solution for you. So whether it's rods and reels all rigged up and ready to go, or your skis and snowboards, we've got you covered. Universal mounting attachment, so you're able to put it to your factory crossbars, our Yakima crossbars. Just a really versatile, easy to use system. And last but not least, we're looking at our fly rod specific rod carrier. It's called the Double Haul. It is a 4-rod carrier, lockable as well. The really unique thing that we're doing with our rod carrier is you are able to carry our 2-handed rods, so all your span switch in the top 2 positions. The rod box is able to accommodate spay on the top 2, and then single-handed fighting butt in all 4 rod locations. Up to most 8-weight reels in your bottom sections, and then on your top, up to most 12-weight reels, you'll be able to fit in our new fly rod specific carrier. Still comes with all of the universal mounting attachment options as the rest of our fishing collection. So whether it's your factory bars or our bars, you'll be able to install that very easily as well. And then fully lockable as well, just like everything else I've shown you. We've got lockable, locking to the crossbar, and then lockable storage for your rods and reels. So you're able to just rig yourself up the night before, drive out to that special spot you got, and you're literally pulling that out and on the water in no time. So you just pull that out and you're ready to go, all rigged up. You get your flies tied the night before.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.